Okay, let's talk about cough drops. Do they really work? I don't think so. I really don't. So, let's go get some cough drops. I've been coughing all week. I'm getting tired of it. I've gotten like maybe 5 to 6 cough drops.
Yeah.
And they don't work. So, for those of you that are wasting your money on 1,000 cough drop bags, don't.